Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Asana to HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring tasks from Asana to HubSpot, first, log into your Asana account. Navigate to the project that contains the tasks you want to transfer. Select the tasks individually by clicking on the checkbox next to each one. You can also select multiple tasks at once by holding down the Shift key while clicking. Once you've selected the tasks, click on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose the option to export. Next, select CSV as the export format. This will download a CSV file of your selected tasks onto your computer. Now, log into your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to your Task Management or Projects section. Look for the option to import data. Select Import and choose File Upload. Locate the CSV file you just downloaded from Asana. Upload the file to HubSpot. During the upload process, HubSpot will prompt you to map fields from the CSV to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. Ensure that each Asana field aligns properly with its HubSpot counterpart. Once all fields are mapped correctly, proceed to confirm your import. HubSpot will then begin importing your tasks. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the import is complete, verify that all tasks have successfully transferred. You can now find your Asana tasks within HubSpot's task management interface. Take a moment to adjust any settings or details as needed in HubSpot. Your tasks from Asana are now ready for use in HubSpot. And that's the complete process for transferring tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.